What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will talk about how you can change the name on your iPhone. So before we go ahead and show you anything, there are things you have to know. There are two types of name available on your iPhone. First, which is called the banner name. Each time you open up your settings, you see right over here. And second of all is called the device name, especially what happen to be appears when you share your files via Bluetooth, AirDrop and more. So now let's go ahead and change the name for both of them. First up, I'll show you how you can change the name from the banner, and then later on I'll show you how you can change the device name. Now, to change your banner name, the first things you want to do, just go ahead and open up your settings, and then from here go ahead and tap on your name banner, and then go ahead and tap name, phone numbers and emails options, and then you're going to get this option called name. Now go ahead and tap on your name, and then you're going to get your name right here. Now all I want you to do, just go ahead and change your name the way you want, whatever you want. So here I'll just type YouTube for example, and then I'll tap done. And if I'm just going to go ahead and tap back and come to the main service on that Apple account, then you'll be able to see the name has been changed right over here. And it goes right up to this settings option as well. And this is how you can change that your name banner's name on your iPhones. Now, to change your device name on your iPhones, all you got to do is just go ahead and open up your setting one more time and scroll down to your general. Now, the very first one called about, go ahead and tap your about, and then you'll be able to see this option called name. Go ahead and tap on your name, and here you'll be able to change your name. Well, like we said earlier, this name will be appear on your device name as well as for the Bluetooth and your AirDrop. Now I'm just going to go ahead and type fix YouTube channel as well. So I'll type fix 369 YouTube channel, tap done. And then, as you guys can see now, the device name has been changed. Alright guys, now this is how you can change the name on your name banner on your iPhone, and this is how you can change the name on your device as well. Alright guys, so if this video is useful, if you think so, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to get more useful video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.